WarriorPlus, your comprehensive guide to affiliate marketing success. Are you looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing and potentially earn a passive income? WarriorPlus might just be the platform you need. Let's explore everything you need to know. WarriorPlus is a popular online marketplace primarily focused on digital products, especially in the internet marketing and make money online niches. It connects product creators with affiliate marketers, facilitating sales and commissions. Think of it as a hub for digital entrepreneurs. It's a platform where vendors list their products and affiliates promote them. This creates a win-win situation for both parties. Vendors gain exposure, and affiliates earn commissions on successful sales. There are two primary ways to make money on WarriorPlus, as a vendor or as an affiliate. Each path offers unique opportunities and challenges. Understanding both is crucial for success. As a vendor, you create and sell your own digital products. This requires product development, marketing materials, and customer support. It's a more involved process, but offers higher profit potential. As an affiliate, you promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale. This requires marketing skills, audience building, and product selection. It's a lower risk option with less upfront investment. Becoming a successful affiliate on WarriorPlus involves several key steps. Let's break down the process to help you get started. First, create a WarriorPlus account and familiarize yourself with the platform. Explore the marketplace and identify products that align with your niche and audience. Next, request approval to promote specific products. Vendors often review affiliate profiles before granting approval. Highlight your marketing experience and audience reach in your request. Once approved, obtain your unique affiliate link and start promoting the product. Use various marketing channels like email marketing, social media, and paid advertising. Track your results and optimize your campaigns for better performance. Like any platform, WarriorPlus has its advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these can help you make informed decisions. Pros: wide variety of digital products, easy-to-use interface, instant commission payments, and a large community of marketers. These features make it attractive to both vendors and affiliates. Cons: some products may be low quality, competition can be fierce, and the platform is heavily focused on the make money online niche. Due diligence is crucial when selecting products to promote. WarriorPlus offers a valuable platform for both product creators and affiliate marketers. By understanding its features, opportunities, and challenges, you can leverage it to achieve your online business goals. Ready to start your journey on WarriorPlus? Create your free account today and explore the marketplace. Don't forget to research products thoroughly before promoting them. Subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing tips and strategies. Click the link in the description to access our free affiliate marketing guide and take your first step towards financial freedom.